Alright, how's it going, guys? Today we got the Isuzu Dmax that we'll be doing an oil change on this one. So this is the turbo diesel engine. Before we drain the oil, of course, just loosen the oil cap like normal so to get the oil drain faster. That will be the dipstick later to check the oil level. I'll show you how. Of course, the oil filter will be at the bottom. I'll show you in a bit of removing it. Because this car has massive wheels, you don't actually have to jack it. All what I do is just I put it on the plywood and make sure you choke the back wheels, okay? So that will give you enough clearance for the bottom of the car. So this car takes somewhere around 7.8 liters of engine oil. So we do need to buy two bottles of 4 liters, so that makes it 8. The engine oil that we're using will be semi-synthetic 10W40, of course, for diesel vehicle. That will be the oil filter. It's a longish oil filter. I will list down the part number below, okay? So guys, I find this way is very useful. What I did, I'll just put a plastic bag over the oil filter. So as I remove it, the oil filter residue actually rests inside the plastic bag, so it doesn't create a mess and spill all over the area. Alright guys, for smaller oil filter you can actually use just your hand to tighten it, that's fine. But in this case, because the oil filter is long and the angle is really tight, so what I'm doing, I'm using an oil filter tool to just tighten by just a nip, not too tight, so that's fine.